Tornado watch, I got the email.
Corpus Christi, mostly sunny, 79. Houston, partly sunny, 78. Once again at Austin Bergstrom, it was 77. Elsewhere across the state, College Station, partly sunny, 75. Amarillo, cloudy, 50.
There it is.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 413, effective until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties: Burnett and Williamson. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.